वो जो अमेरिकन हाउसवाइफ्स नहीं होती थी मूवीज में, लिटरली ऐसी ही ड्रेसेस पहनती थी वो. दिस हैज टू बी माई सूरज हुआ मध्यम ड्रेस. आई गॉट द परफेक्ट बर्थडे आउटफिट आइडिया. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanya and welcome to another haul video. आज का जो haul video है, it's a huge Savannah haul. जैसा कि आपको टाइटल से समझ में आ गया होगा, I literally got my hands on so many items and this has become like a monthly thing for me. अगर मैं Savannah से shopping ना करूँ तो मुझे कुछ अधूरा सा लगता है because they have such pretty items. So this month I actually got a lot of dresses and some jumpsuits like this one that I'm wearing and a lot more items जो मैं आगे haul में दिखाऊंगी. But the best part about this time is that I know you guys love watching Savannah hauls. I thought आपके लिए कुछ offers लेके आऊँ. So इस बार अभी Savannah पे sale चल रही है. Their Independence Day sale from the 8th till the 14th of August, and you can get up to 50% off on a lot of styles. Plus they also have like new styles coming up almost every other day. So make sure करना आप ये sale जरूर से check out करो. मैं इसको description box में सारे offers link कर दूंगी. जो भी मैं products दिखाऊंगी वो भी description box में link कर दूंगी. And you can also use my code Savannah30 for some extra discount. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. So let's start with dresses. I got quite a few items this time in dresses. तो सबसे पहले तो मैंने ये पिंक कलर की बहुत ही प्यारा सा बेबी पिंक कलर है, ये रफल ड्रेस लिया है. Now this has like ruffles all over the dress and the color is so beautiful. It's giving very romantic vibes because of the ruffles and the color and everything. So if it's your birthday month or if your birthday is coming or you just want to like go for a good girls brunch या फिर आपको डिनर डेट पे जाना अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ या लंच डेट पे जाना है, उसके लिए एकदम परफेक्ट है. बहुत ही प्यारा सा आउटफिट है एंड इट्स लाइक अ ग्रेट बर्थडे ऑप्शन ऑल्सो. ट्यूब ड्रेस है बट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इट डजंट स्लिप, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो लाइनिंग है ना वो काफी अच्छी है इनकी. सो इट्स दैट प्लास्टिक लाइनिंग, सिलिकॉन लाइनिंग जो बेसिकली होती है, जो मेक श्योर करे कि आपकी जो ड्रेस है वो स्लिप ना हो नीचे बार बार. अदरवाइज ट्यूब ड्रेसेस के साथ ये थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है दैट यू कीप ऑन एडजस्टिंग इट, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द सिलिकॉन लाइनिंग इट डज नॉट स्लिप. सो आई रियली लव हाउ इट लुक्स एंड इट्स अ मैक्सी ड्रेस अगेन. सो आप देख सकते हो मुझ पे कैसी लग रही है. इट लुक्स so pretty. The color is everything and I'm very happy with the dress honestly. जो मटेरियल है वो ऐसा नेट डिटेलिंग वाला है लेकिन अंदर पूरा अस्तर है, तो कुछ भी sheer नहीं है इसमें, तो आप इसे आराम से पहन सकते हो. दिस इज अ वेरी मॉडेस्ट आइडिया ऑल्सो, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो लाइनिंग है ये मेक श्योर करता है कुछ भी सी थ्रू ना हो. एंड मैक्सी ड्रेस है तो आप पहन सकते हो. ट्यूब ड्रेस अगेन, अगर आप ट्यूब्स के साथ कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो, आप इसके अंदर एक व्हाइट टी शर्ट पहन सकते हैं, देन जस्ट pair this up with some good pearl necklaces. बहुत प्यारा सा लुक लगेगा. And I honestly love how it looks on me and this is such a pretty dress, such a pretty color. मैं तो इसे बहुत excited हूँ पहनने के लिए for like a really good event. Next up, I got a red dress. I have so many red dresses at this point. This is actually more like a maroon one, but I don't know why. For some reason, I always keep going back to like reds and maroons. So this is the one that I've got, and it looks very basic. ठीक है, देखने में लग रहा होगा बहुत basic सी sleeveless सी dress है, बहुत ही fit and flared kind of dress है. But the back, so it's giving that backless situation, and I love it. It looks so pretty. यहाँ पे एक zip भी है, so it's very comfortable for you to wear in that sense. And this is again a perfect birthday outfit or a date night outfit. It's just so beautiful. So I fell in love the minute I saw this and I knew I had to buy it. This is how it looks and I love it again. It's just so comfortable and modest भी है at the same time. फैशन में अप टू डेट भी है बिकॉज इट्स बैकलेस एंड बैकलेस कैन नेवर गो आउट ऑफ ट्रेंड. सो आई लव इट. इसका तो मुझे कलर भी काफी प्यारा सा लगा बिकॉज आई थिंक दिस इज वन कलर दैट वर्क्स ऑन लाइक इंडियन स्किन टोन्स प्रिटी वेल. आपका जो भी स्किन टोन हो बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा ये आपके ऊपर. नेक्स्ट ड्रेस हैज टू बी माई फेवरेट ड्रेस फ्रॉम दिस हॉल बिकॉज इट्स दिस वेरी ब्यूटिफul polka dress. It's a midi dress but the neck is just so retro and like the dress itself is giving very retro feels. It's in this dark mal gray brownish mixed color with polka dots, white polka dots all over it, and just look at it. It's giving that American dream kind of dress. I love it and it has this tiny bow detailing also. ये ड्रेस मैं आपको पहन के ही दिखाऊंगी. because when I wear it, this dress का actual look आप पता कर सकते हैं, and this is more like a silk material kind of dress. It's not silk, of course. It's a polyester mixed kind of material, but it gives that silk finish kind of feel. The fitting is just so perfect. I'm in size small, by the way, for reference. For everything that you will see in this haul, तो अगर आप मेरा body type हो, आप size small के साथ जा सकते हो. But this one is just so stunning. I love this dress and I'm hoping कि मैं इसको बहुत जल्दी कहीं पहन पाऊँ. अभी तो मैं हॉल में सब पहली बार आपके साथ ही पहन रही हूँ. But this actually screams like a dream dress for me. The length is beautiful, the fit is beautiful, the color is beautiful. Like overall feel of this dress is like very very different. Next up, I got a metallic dress. Now, this dress, its material isn't the best. I'm gonna be honest with you all, because it's like one of those plasticky materials जो होते हैं, but ऐसी dresses इसी material में आती हैं, so I'm okay with that. And this is a very party wear or I'll say award function type dress because ऐसा आपने celebrities को अक्सर देखा होगा. So I just got it for the style because the style is very unique. This is this cut out dress जो ऐसे तो मैं पकड़ूंगी तो समझ में नहीं आएगा. One shoulder है, then cut है, and then you have a slit also. So a lot is happening in this dress. I'm gonna just wear it and show it to you guys. I love how it looks. The only thing is the material isn't the best, but ऐसी dresses में ऐसा ही material होता है, so I'm okay with it. लेकिन ये ड्रेस पहन के इतनी अच्छी लग रही है. So like if you are going out for a very fancy day, I think this has to be the dress. If I have to go out for any influencer event and the dress, like the theme is to like dress all out, I think मेरे लिए this dress will be that dress. And for someone like me who likes to dress extra on like birthdays and stuff, I think this is again one of those dresses that I'll prefer wearing. So yeah, that's the next item that I got. Same dress and it's just so beautiful. ये ड्रेस देख के ना मुझे वो सूरज हुआ मध्यम वाला पूरा फील आता है एंड मैं उसमें डेफिनेटली रील बनाने वाली हूँ बहुत ही जल्दी ये ड्रेस पहने हुए. सो इट्स दिस very beautiful maxi dress in like sunset colors because orange and red and yellow का blend है. नीचे जाते जाते red हो रहा है हल्का सा, बीच में orange है and then yellow है. The material is that silk material again and it's just so beautiful. It's backless of course and there's this huge cloth again, so you have to tie it on your neck and then पीछे भी आप बांध सकते हो. It's gonna take some time to wear, of course. 5 मिनट लगेंगे इसको बांधने में and to wear it like properly. But एक बार जब आप इसे देखोगे ना ये पहन के इतनी प्यारी लग रही है कि you'll be like यार ये तो मुझे लेनी ही लेनी है. Now this is perfect like a vacation dress. Of course आप इसे day to day life में नहीं पहनोगे, but if you're heading out for a vacation, especially abroad vacations जैसे टर्की वगैरह अगर आप जा रहे हो, बाली जा रहे हो, तो ऐसी ड्रेसेस बहुत ही प्यारी लगती है. They look so aesthetic and so beautiful. मैंने तो इसको content के लिए लिया है purposely because I'm right now not traveling anywhere. But if I were to travel to like a beachy place or like something like Turkey जहाँ पे ऐसा Cappadocia का आपने ऊपर से देखा होगा ऐसे लोग dresses पहनते हैं flowy, it would have been that dress. This is so pretty. So I love this dress. I'm so excited to shoot in like this and you'll see the reel very soon in this one. Next up, I got a coordinate set for like everyday wear because मुझे लगा मेरे पास कोई ऐसा coordinate नहीं है जो revealing ना हो मैं बाहर पहन के जा सकूँ बहुत easily. तो मैंने एक बहुत ही basic सा coordinate लिया है but which looks very classy and very sexy at the same time without being revealing. So this is the coordinate I'm talking about. तो इसका जो top है वो basic blue top है. So the whole coordinate is in the same color, the powder blue color, and it's a ribbed material top. आगे buttons है, very basic top, and it comes with a similar skirt. It's a pencil skirt, maxi skirt है, and it just fits like a glove. It's just so pretty, and overall this fit when you wear it together, it looks so nice. This is how it looks on me. I love this fit. It fits so well. Like the fit is fitting. That will be the right slang for this one. That the fit is fitting. Powder blue, especially a color जो वैसे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So this is a very soothing pastel vibe color, and I love how it looks. Very comfortable again. पूरा जो material है टॉप का एंड स्कर्ट का दोनों काफी स्ट्रेचेबल है, सो यू कैन वेयर इट बहुत ही आराम से. सो या दैट्स द नेक्स्ट आइटम आई गॉट. देन आई ऑल्सो गॉट दिस जंपसूट दैट आई एम एक्चुअली वेयरिंग राइट नाउ. सो इट्स दिस कट आउट जंपसूट एंड आगे इसको यहाँ पे टाई करना था एंड इट हैज very gorgeous sleeves जिसमें पूरा embroidery हो रखा है. I love the embroidery. I purely got it for the embroidery because it looked very pretty and this is how it looks. This is such a comfy wear, तो मैंने इसीलिए इसमें haul सोचा मैं कर लेती हूँ. And this is just something that I can wear any day. I'm just heading out for like brunch or to meet some friends, this can possibly be the outfit that I'll wear. And yeah, very comfy, very nice, very cute again. And you can style it like me. So I styled it with some jewelry and these very cute clips. So these clips are again from Savannah. I got them as a pair of two for like rupees 99 and I was so happy. I was like, I want this because मैं ऐसे hair styles बहुत बनाती हूँ. So whenever like I have oily hair, I prefer to like clip them थोड़ा थोड़ा part so they don't look very oily and they suit me. So yeah, I got these clips also. Then the next item that I've got is a halter neck top. ये मैंने actually कल ही पहना था इसलिए थोड़ा सा उल्टा है. So this top is so nice. It's this gingham print and it's butter yellow, the color of the season, with white squares all over it. It's a halter neck top. Of course, you have to tie it up, but it just looks so pretty and it's very comfortable because peaches में elastic bhi hai, so it's very stretchy at the same time. The material is cotton, so super comfortable to wear in like everyday life also. This is how it looks. Just pair it up with like a good pair of shorts, or if you are like too much ड्रेसी वाली फीलिंग है अगर आपके पास, तो आप इसको एक मैक्सी स्कर्ट के साथ पेयर अप कर सकते हो. मैंने जो ब्लू कोऑर्डिनेट पहना मैंने उसके स्कर्ट के साथ पहना हुआ है. ये उसके साथ भी बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज येलो एंड ब्लू का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है वो काफी अच्छा लग रहा है साथ में. So yeah, this is the next item I got. One last item, which is actually a bikini set. I haven't worn it yet and I'm not planning to wear it right now because I have got it, saving it for a travel, which I hope happens anytime soon. I really want to go to a beachy place. I'm just ikhattafying the kapde I want to wear. So this is the bikini top, very basic black bikini top. Comes with similar panties, high-waisted. I haven't worn it yet. I'm just gonna attach a picture of the model that's actually wearing it because I'm saving it, so I'm not gonna wear it right now. And then I also have this cover up along with it, which I genuinely enjoyed because I think ऐसे जो cover ups होते हैं ना वो बहुत अच्छा लगते हैं, you know, bikinis के साथ, and they just make it very easier to wear it. And this is a very fancy cover up, so it has this ring detailing and it's like one shoulder kind of thing. So yeah, that's the next item I got. The material is super nice and मैंने क्योंकि Savannah की already bikinis order करी हुई हैं, so I know they're very comfortable. So I had to get this one in black. I don't have anything in black, so I got this one as the last item. So yeah guys, these were all the items that I got from Savannah recently. Do let me know in the comments below which was your favorite. If I have to pick mine, I think the maroon dress, the polka dot dress, the jumpsuit, the yellow dress, I can't pick. I'm sorry. I love so much like all the items that I ordered that I can't pick. But yeah, that was it. Savannah पे जो independent sale है वो भी live है, so make sure करना कि आप सारे offers avail कर लो. आपको 50% off मिल रहा है. सब कुछ description box में link होगा. And yeah, that's it. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.